Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos coming soon to my channel. Getting right into this video, I'm using the Mccart Sweet Cravings Polygel Kit. This is something new that they just came out with recently. In this kit, you get your 100-180 nail file. You also get a polygel spatula with a brush, and you get 4 polygel colors, all very light frosting looking colors. You get a base coat and your top coat, and then you also get a pack of dual forms. This kit also comes with a little pack of 3D charms, and then you have a cute little sheet of stickers and also the directions on how to use polygel. I'm doing the Femi Beauty Method with this set today, and I'm using full cover coffin tips. I wanted to do a French tip look, and I didn't realize it wasn't filming on my very first nail here, so I apologize about that. But this kit does not come with a slip solution, so you will need to use some rubbing alcohol. I'm using 91%. Do not try to use polygel without a slip solution. You will regret it, and it will be a sticky mess and very frustrating, so please don't do that to yourself. But basically what you do is you put the tip in first, get your smile line really nice and straight, and then you're going to flash cure that for about 10 seconds. And then you're going to go and apply the cuticle bead, and then you're going to cure that onto your nail for a full 60 seconds. When you're applying the nail onto your natural nail, you don't want to apply too much pressure, only because 1, it'll seep out the bottom, and 2, you can see where my free edge ends. And because I have such short nail beds, I really hate that, but I'm going to show you how to fix that later. So moving on to my index finger, I am using the color Icing, and this is a pinky color. The only thing I really didn't like about this is that the icing color and the cake color, which is supposed to be more of a peachy color, they looked exactly the same on the actual nail. And my goal was to use all of the colors and just kind of mix and match them up with the French tips, but I wasn't able to do that because I couldn't use those 2 colors together. So I definitely use more of the yellow and the green, which is creme brulee and frosting. And just continuing on doing the smile line first, curing that for 10 seconds, and then I'm going in with the cuticle bead and curing that for 60 seconds. When you're doing the Femi Beauty Method, you want to make sure you're using just enough product to have your design show through the nail. Because we're keeping that nail tip on, if we put too much product in there, it could look really bulky and sit really weird or high off your nail, and we don't want that. So just enough product to show design through the nail, keeping everything very thin on the inside of the nail. What to do to blow my mind. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it. I'm starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed. Got me starry-eyed. If you're enjoying this video, if you could hit the like button and comment down below, tell me what you think of the candy nails or sweet treats trend nails that's going around Instagram. Do you like it? Would you wear it? Personally, I think it's cute for like a party or something. I don't know if I would wear them for, a long period of time, but I think they're cute for like a themed party for sure. Taking my cuticle bit, I am just going around and cleaning up any of the polygel that may have came out the bottom. And because I'm using full cover tips, there's really not much filing involved at all. You do want to take a nail file and kind of go across the top of the tips because they do have that little jagged edge up there. And then you're going to want to take a buffing block and just kind of buff up the surface if you're going to be applying charms or any kind of nail design like that. Falling down all over me, yeah, you're making me glow. Couldn't fight if I wanted, flying to places that I never thought I could go. Upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed. I am using some black spider gel that I got from Profiles Backstage, and I wanted to give these nails a fudge overlay, I guess, and I thought this would be absolutely perfect, and they turned out so cute. It turned out exactly the way I thought it would, and yeah, I was just having fun with this. You do definitely want to keep a napkin close by because it is very stringy and you want to be able to clean it up, wipe it off. Otherwise, it kind of gets everywhere. So just keep that in mind if you're using spider gel, that you definitely want to have everything that you need to clean it up with right by you. To put on my charms and my rhinestones, I'm using the Mccart Rhinestone Gel Glue. It's one of my faves. It's got a very thick consistency, and once you put the charms and the beads down, it just stays right in place. So it's nice not to have them sliding all over the place. After I apply the charms, the cuticle bling, and also the spider gel, I do flash cure in between each step. This is just so nothing gets messed up in between and everything just stays exactly where I put it.
It's too late now to turn around and back again. I made my bed and now I lay my head in it. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. You call my bluff, I won't pick up, I let it ring. Record your voice so I can listen back again. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me.
After I apply the top coat from the kit, I am then going to use my Young Nails cuticle oil. Always make sure you use some cuticle oil after you just worked on your nails. Definitely rehydrates them and just makes them look a lot nicer, especially for photos and stuff. And this is the finished look. I really think that they turned out cute, like I said, for a theme party, or even if you're just extra and you love to have fun stuff on your nails. Like, this is you. You do you, boo. Anyways, I really hope you enjoy watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think, and I really hope to see you in my next one. Bye!
We can start again. Wanting down a second chance. I'm too selfish for that. I let you fall again. Now that you know that